Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and as you can see, I'm opening up some mail. We were gone for a while. We've gone to Florida twice this month, and I had some Blythes come in, and I always open on camera. Oh, this one's the special one. This is the one I paid more for, a lot more for. And it's a good thing to open on camera because if you can see, these two legs are broken, this one leg and foot is broken, and we might have to go through our credit card because AliExpress has not been standing behind their products. But I have it all. I have all the proof I need. This one, oh, I have fallen in love with these rainbow hair Blythe dolls. I have several now. I can think of 4 or 5 right offhand. So when I saw this one, well, I needed her. Now her name should have been Opal. Oh God, look at that. Woohoo! Let's look at eyes before we do anything else. Let's take this off this one. Look at that face. I love the face. A little different face mold. All right, I gotta get the string away from her hair. If you don't know about a Blythe doll, they have a string in the back that you pull, and their eyes change color and direction. Ooh, look at those blue with this one. I don't know that I will do anything to this doll, although I'm looking at these eyes thinking, well, maybe. Let's brush out her hair. Oh, look at these pastels. Oh, it is just gorgeous. Just absolutely. Oh, I love that. Could it use a little powdering? Yeah, but let's see. I won't be doing it straight away. We'll see how it, give it a day or so. Sometimes they look kind of greasy, but if you brush it out and wait a day or two, why, I don't know, but I have found it true. Sometimes just washing it will take care of it, but sometimes, I know with Gothia, oh my God, but I finally learned with some others. I take them to the bathtub, and in a dry bathtub, and I lay them out like this, and I take baby powder, and I sprinkle, I just cover that, and then I shake it, turn it over, and do the same. And then I let that sit for about 24 hours, and then I brush that out. And if it looks like it took care of it, then I go ahead and wash it out real well. It does take 2 shampoos to get all of the, yeah, it's going to need some powder. It does take 2 shampoos to get that powder out, but it doesn't dry the hair like some of the treatments do. I tried everything with Gothia, and boy, oh boy, I'm glad I decided to try that powder because that just really sucked that excess grease up. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.